updated on current affairs, and I follow trends on leadership and management. Socially, I'm connected with Sampark, of course, BNI chapter Nagpur and NIPM chapter Nagpur as well. Next slide, please. I have more than 13 plus years of experience in corporate world in multiple HR profiles and business projects as well. However, learning and development and organizational development is my strength. I have got good blend of experience in manufacturing as well as service industry. By virtue of my experience and my entrepreneurship, I have gained certain skill sets: coaching and facilitation, transformational change agent, collaboration skill, communication skill, and I'm obsessed with planning skill. It's been recently I've ventured into the entrepreneurship, though I was doing it alongside with my job since last year itself. My firm name is Potential to Performance, and I'm leading it as director. I'm licensee of Leadership Management International India. Next slide, please. Something about my business. Yes, I'm associated with a company called Leadership Management International. It is a USA-based organization. It came into existence in 1966. And India, we are present since 1995. Primarily, we touch upon two aspects of business. One is business result and another is people result. That's why we call ourselves as performance enhancement organization. Next slide, please. We are present in more than 80 countries around the world, and more than 4 million people across the world have gone through our interventions. In India, we are present in 21 locations. However, with these online platforms available, we are virtually available across India, wherever you have good reasonably internet connection. Next slide, please. So how are we different? I'm sure all of you must have attended 1 or 2 days of behavioral or leadership training programs. Excellent knowledge, outstanding faculty. But what happens when you go back to your job? Nothing changes. This is because these kind of training programs, leadership training programs, are of transactional in nature. They are merely able to produce awareness and knowledge about the concept or ideas. And hence, they are not able to produce the sustainable change in your behavior. And hence, you do not see any kind of change or results. However, our LMI programs are transformational in nature. In our programs, participants first learn the concept, they are able to retain it, reflect it, and apply it both in their personal as well as professional life. This makes our entire interventions experiential in nature. Yes, our USP is that participants are able to see visible change, measurable results, and significant ROI. Next slide, please. My flagship program name is Effective Personal Productivity. You can see the contents: goal setting workshop, ownership, time management, delegation, so many things. Since we are people development company, we serve in all sectors of all sizes, large, medium scale, or SMEs, MNCs, everywhere we can provide our services. I provide individual as well as group coaching. So you can connect me to individual, professional, or business owners as well who are looking to improve their or team's productivity as well. And of course, CEOs, MDs, directors, HR head, training head, learning and development head, talent management, and individual professionals as well. Next slide, please.
Shweta ji,
Yeah.
your time is up, so
Just yeah, I'll just
30 seconds. Yeah.
absolutely, yeah. This is my second program. The name is Attitude is Everything. It is completed in 5 sessions. This program is very much suitable for students who are into their graduation and post graduation, and housewives who want to explore their dreams. So please connect me to college principals and deans as well. Next slide, please. My best 6 complementing partners are recruitment agencies, HR consultancies, business strategy consultancies, training consultancies other than leadership trainings, and placement agencies as well. Next slide, please. To be #1 leadership development company in Central India by 31st December 2023 is my goal. And starting off something by own is my biggest accomplishment as of today. Of course, I believe that there are many more milestones to achieve. Next slide, please. So many memory hooks, we transform life, helping you become a total person, helping you achieve your dreams and goals, bridging gap between potential and performance. Next slide, please. Whatever you vividly imagine, ardently desire, sincerely believe, and enthusiastically act upon, must inevitably come to pass. And these are thoughts of Mr. Paul J. Meyer, who's founder of Leadership Management International USA. Thank you so much. You can reach out to me. My coordinates are there on the screen. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to share something about myself. Thank you.